Calling the same function with different arguments. Example 3. Hi! In the previous videos, we saw how to call the same function with different arguments. In this video, we are going to see the same example where we printed the bill at a shop. But this time, we are going to call the function with different arguments. Okay, let us go to Python and see the code which we wrote before. This is the code we wrote in our previous video to print the bill at a stationery shop after you bought a marker pen for 35 rupees, got a discount of 5 rupees and then calculated the final bill amount as 30 rupees. Shall we save the file and run the code? Okay, the output printed is 30 after the discount of 5. So, we called the function once and got one output. Now, imagine your brother comes to the same shop to buy a geometry box for 50 rupees. He also gets a discount of 5 rupees. So, he wants to calculate the final bill amount after the discount. So, what should we do? Let us call the same function with a different argument. The cost of your brother's geometry box, which is 50. So, let us call the function again and give 50 as an argument now. So, after the last statement, press enter and write printing underscore bill open bracket close bracket and put 50 inside the brackets. Save the file and run the code. The output printed is 30 and 45 because we called the function twice. The first bill amount is yours and the next bill amount 45 is your brother's after the discount of 5 rupees. So here we gave two different arguments in two function calls and got two different outputs. Yes. Next, your cousin comes to the same stationery shop to buy a pencil pouch for 40 rupees and waits for his bill to be printed. So, what should we do? We should call the same function again and this time let us give the argument as 40 to print a different output. Yes. So, after the last statement, press enter and write printing underscore bill open bracket close bracket and write 40 inside the brackets. Save the file and run the code. The output printed is the bill amount 35 after the discount of 5 rupees after yours and your brother's bills. In the same way, after your cousin, even if 100 people comes to the same stationery shop to buy different items and want to calculate the bill amount after discount, we can write 100 function calls for the same function. Because we have written one function to calculate the bill, we can use the same function again and again for 100 or even 500 people with different arguments to calculate their bills. Remember that we have to give the cost of their product inside the brackets when we are calling the function. So, we will get different outputs for every function call. So, this is the main advantage of the function. We write it once, but we can use it as many times as we want. I hope you understand now how to call the same function with different arguments to get different outputs. See you all in the next video with an interesting assignment. Bye-bye.